Hi, so on this video I'll be teaching you on how to unstake the currency you've staked. Okay, previously I did a video on how to stake USDT. All right, so I'm doing this video on how to unstake USDT just in case you've staked and you don't know how to unstake it. It's very simple. Okay, so let's get at it. So you select your asset here. Okay, so below it you see the invested products. You see my N is that's I staked about 43.77 USD. Okay, so I'll click on it. All right, because I want to unstake this. Okay, so I want to unstake this. So below it you see Bybit savings. I have 43.77 investments, right? And it's active. As you can see, zero it because I just invested this now, but I'm doing a video on how to unstake it just in case you are in this position. Okay, so select the one active, click on this. Once you do that, you can see my investment, right? That's my total stake. So if you've started yielding profits, you see it on the total yield, you see it here. All right, so I've actually not started. Reason why. Okay, so you just click on this arrow here and you see on stake. It's that easy. So I'll just click on stake. Now you ask to unstake the amount the particular amount you want to unstake. If you want to unstake everything, you select 43.774, right? But on this video, I won't unstake everything because this is kind of a tutorial. Okay, so I'll just show you how to unstake this. So on this video, I will unstake 23.7774. Okay, so this is the amount I want to unstake, right? So I'll just select this on stake and I'll confirm. And that's it. As you can see, on stake successfully. So this is how easy, once you want to unstake your USDT or any other currency you've staked, this is how you do it. Okay, it's very, very easy. Okay, so you can also see that the USD I unstaked has been moved to my funding account, right? So it's my funding account and I have 20 USD left. Okay, so this is it. All right, so I'm done with this video. If you actually gain value in this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.